assumption of office, the Philippine people and the Constitution vested you with the power and authority as a law enforcer. As such, you implore the aid of the Almighty. That authority is symbolized by the PNP badge. It is a badge of honor placed near your heart to remind you of your duty to enforce the law. Without fail or favor, to protect the rights of the people, especially the weak, the poor, the marginalized. On your badge is symbolized and held by the PNP seal, held bravely by our hero, Lapu-Lapu, the first Filipino to defend our country against foreign invaders. And your badge
Symbolized.
Your badge symbolize your selfless sacrifice and willingness to die in the service of God, country, and people. On your badge are the virtues of service, honor, and justice, which you live out with unwavering commitment. You have always maintained good sample, and you make your badge unsullied and free from any breach of fidelity. You endeavor to avoid any aspersion against our institution. You preserve our cherished police customs and traditions without countenancing, allowing to be infringed. Police under General Alan Molentas Nazaro, you were police officer. You wore that badge with pride and honor. Now, after 35 years, 7 months, 19 days, 16 hours, 21 minutes, and 20 seconds of police and faithful service to the PNP, and upon reaching your retirement day, it's time for you to retire your badge. You may now detach the badge.
May we request Police General Romel Francisco D. Marbil, Chief of the National Police, to receive the PNP badge of our honor.
With honor and dignity, I am now turning over my PNP badge, which symbolizes the power and authority vested upon me as a police officer.
The honor will hand over the Steward of